you recording? Stephanie, what do you need? A band-aid? You need a band-aid? See, Marie, can you put that down, baby girl? The TV?
Turn it off.
Turn it off. Do you need a band-aid, Steph? Let's put your band-aid on you. You see her leg all ready. All ready to go. Let's put some antibiotic here. Cynthia. Let's put some antibiotic here for Steph. Have a band-aid now, Steph. Give a kissy. Mommy kissy. All done. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
See that missing tooth? Smile.
Bye.
Here, Simmer, you do it. You videotape me. Getting some soft.
Hi, Stephanie.
How
Hi.
about these cheeks over here?
Hi. Hi.
Okay.
Not you.
Now we're going to get some of these. The grand prize.
See, Maddie, let Daddy get your cheeks. Let Daddy get your cheeks.
We're going to get those bun cheeks.
Oh
You're the one showing them off.
Maddie, where do you want your band-aid?
no. Right on my hand.
Don't take it out, okay?
Did you? Oh, you put medicine? I thought that was blood on there.
No. It was blood the first day. All done.
I got a band-aid too.
I can see that.
Thank God it didn't cost me anything. All done.